Hey everyone, and welcome to Foster City. Built in 1962 and widely known for the lagoons, recreational facilities, and more than 16 miles of canals and waterways, Foster City was designed as a waterfront community for residents to return after a hectic day of working in the Bay Area and Silicon Valley industries. It's a convenient location, mid-peninsula, giving residents easy access to the Highway 101 and the San Mateo Bridge to head to the East Bay. The best part about Foster City, of course, the spacious homes and abundant recreational opportunities. With over 20 acres of public parks and outdoor areas, there's access to a wide range of bike paths, open spaces, and of course, at the heart of Foster City, right behind me, the Central Lagoon, where you'll find Leo Ryan Park, and of course, tennis courts, basketball courts, a skate park, and you can even go kayaking, paddleboarding, and learn how to windsurf. If you have children, there are 4 public schools you'll have access to. You'll have Audubon Elementary, Brewer Island Elementary, Foster City Elementary, and Bowditch Middle School. These schools are consistently ranked among the best in all of San Mateo County. In terms of amenities, Foster City is known for its food, in particular, the Asian cuisine. Now, if you do want to do a little bit of shopping or have some nightlife, most will travel down to San Mateo, downtown area, about 5-6 minute drive. But Foster City, we're here to eat. What food, you may ask? Mumu Hot Pot, Soon's Korean Barbecue, and if you're into coffee, Penelope's Coffee. Local brew, see you there. To the north, you have Bay Vista, Carmel Village, and Treasure Isle. In the middle, you have the Islands, Isle Cove, and Marina Point. And finally, to the south, there's Harborside, Dolphin Bay, and Sea Colony. So here in Foster City, we'll feature mostly single-family detached homes. Here in Central Lagoon, I'm surrounded by mostly condos and townhomes. These will range from 1 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms, anywhere from as low as 625 square feet to as high as 1,550 square feet. Now, the most desirable part in Foster City are going to be the islands. Those are going to all have waterfront views with lagoon access. So basically everyone there will have their own private yacht, boat, or some sort of vehicle that they can go directly into the lagoon from their property. These homes usually start at 3 bedrooms, go as high as 5 bedrooms, and are roughly between 2,400 to as high as 3,000 square feet. So this is Foster City. If you have any questions about this area or other surrounding neighborhoods in San Mateo County or South San Francisco, please feel free to reach out. My name is Karl Chang with Own Real Estate. Thank you so much for watching.